anyone ever make you feel like Sender Cohen can? Rapture's most beloved musical artist returns with Why Even Ask, his greatest album yet. Songs of love, songs of joy, songs of passion. Buy Why Even Ask and invite Sender Cohen into your home today. What's the matter, Frank?
It's this thinning hair, Jim. Every day there's less and less.
You know, the problem's not in your hair. It's in your genes.
Hey, I don't go in for all that splicing stuff. My buddy says it's not safe.
Shows you what your buddy knows. Go over to Genetic Horizons for a trial of fresh hair. Fresh hair is not only gives you a full head of thick hair, but it's 100% safe.
Full head of hair? And 100% safe? Maybe it's time for me to get a little fresh hair.
Hey there, fellas. You know that 9 out of 10 ladies prefer the athletic man? Why stay on the sidelines when the new Sport Boost line of plasmids can turn you into the jock you always wanted to be? Come and visit us at the MedFast for a free 2-hour trial. You'll appreciate the difference. She will too.
Wallet a little light? At Surgical Savings, we'll happily work out an affordable payment plan for any major procedure. Potentially terminal illnesses won't wait until payday, should you?